everyone and welcome back to my channel Megapixel Beast. In this video we are going to see how you can add text behind the person in the video. So without wasting time, let's get started. For that you need a video where you want to add text behind the person. And here I am having one video where two persons are standing. And I am going to add text behind these two persons. It will look cinematic and it will having the different effect than the normal video. First of all, you have to add text to this video. There are multiple animated text available in CapCut app. You can see it and try it by yourself. There are multiple sections and you can select from there. Now we are just going to add a simple text. I have added one text, Sunset Diaries. After adding the text, you can select any font. There are multiple fonts available in CapCut app. You can select your favorite font and apply to the text. After that, I am adding stroke to the text. It will create a better effect on the text. There are multiple animations are available and you can select as per your requirement. Currently, I am applying fade in and fade out animation for my text. In this way, you can use the various animation which are available. There are also loop animation which will enhance your text. After applying these settings, you just need to drag it till the end. So the text will be in the whole video. Now you can see the text is about the person. And here we are going to export this video first. Because the further post-processing will be done on this edited video. After exporting, again import the same video in the CapCut app by creating a new project. At this time you just need to add the original video to the timeline. Select the original video and tap on overlay. It will create overlay of the original video. The next step is to select overlay video and click on remove background. After the 10 seconds, it will remove all the background from original video. Now you just have to drag this video on edited video. Here you can see the text is behind the person and it is looking so cool. In this way you guys can add any text behind the person and you can use such clips for intro for your videos. The final step is to add a filter if you want to color grade your video. There are multiple filters available and you can apply it to your videos. At last, you just need to export this video in 1080p 60 fps and you can upload it from Instagram or TikTok anywhere you want. Here is the sample video. If you feel this video was helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for next video because I will come up with such amazing videos. Thanks for watching this video.